Every single night, your mind slips into a strange, hidden world. But why? Why do we dream? Even while your body rests, your brain doesn't shut off. In fact, parts of it become incredibly active. This happens mostly during REM sleep. Rapid eye movement, when your eyes dart back and forth and your dreams become most vivid. One leading theory is memory consolidation. As you sleep, your brain sorts through the day's experiences, filing away what matters and clearing out the rest. Dreams may also help us process emotions, working through stress, fear, or sadness, so we wake up feeling lighter. Some scientists believe dreaming is like a rehearsal space, a way for our ancestors' brains to practice escaping danger, keeping us prepared even today. Another theory suggests dreams are simply your brain's attempt to make sense of random electrical signals firing during sleep. It's not just humans. Many animals, and even babies before they're born, show signs of dreaming too. One of the earliest dream theories came from Sigmund Freud, who believed dreams were secret wish fulfillments, our hidden desires acting out while we sleep. Carl Jung took it further, suggesting dreams tap into a collective unconscious, shared symbols and archetypes found across all cultures. Modern neuroscience offers a different idea, the activation synthesis theory, where your brain simply tries to make sense of random neural firing by weaving it into a story. So what happens if you're deprived of dreaming? Studies show REM deprivation can lead to irritability, poor memory, and trouble concentrating. Ever realized you were dreaming while still asleep? That's called lucid dreaming, a state where you become aware and can sometimes even control the dream. People train for lucid dreaming with reality checks, small daily habits, like checking a clock twice, that carry over into dreams and trigger awareness. Nightmares, though unpleasant, may actually serve a purpose, helping your brain rehearse fear responses so you're better prepared when awake. Recurring dreams often signal unresolved stress or emotions, your brain replaying the same scenario until you finally work through it. You've probably heard falling dreams mean you're afraid of failure. But scientists say it's more likely just your brain reacting to muscle relaxation. And dying in a dream doesn't mean you'll die in real life. It's usually your mind processing change or the end of something in your waking world. Fun fact: most people do dream in color. The old myth that we dream in black and white came from early black and white television. Even people who are blind still dream, often through heightened sound, touch, and emotion instead of visual imagery. One simple way to remember more dreams is keeping a dream journal. Writing down fragments the moment you wake up trains your brain to recall them. Try staying still for a few moments after waking up. Movement can instantly erase dream memories before you even realize it. From ancient wish theories to modern neuroscience, one thing is clear: dreaming connects memory, emotion, survival, and imagination all at once. So why do we dream? Maybe it's memory, maybe emotion, maybe practice, or maybe our brain simply making sense of the night. The truth is, dreaming touches every part of who we are, and science is still uncovering the full story.